So we spent a lot of time talking about advanced technologies, all the enabling technologies, accelerating technologies that are affecting robotics and the digitization of manufacturing. But one thing that's often overlooked is very sound tooling capabilities, mechanical capabilities, hardware capabilities that are an equally important part to transforming manufacturing. This here is a product line we developed going back to the 1980s and still run today, actually using the same automation equipment that we did back then. The reason why, sound fundamentals in mechanical engineering and precision manufacturing. In this case, we're taking a series of precious metal wires about 2/1000ths of an inch thick, bringing a group of those wires precisely onto a carrier strip, welding them together. In this case, I don't know if you can see up close here, but we're welding one wire onto each one of these stamped fingers. They get held in place, they get a couple of weld spots, then we form it. That whole thing then comes into another system that assembles that part to a plastic carrier. The actual use of this is your gas pedal. This is the moving part. When you press on the gas pedal, this part moves, tells the engine more gas, less gas. Very critical component. So here we're having a combination of precision mechanics, very, very fine metalworking, supported by sound fundamentals in how to automate. We designed this system, again, decades ago. Very simple, very robust. It's enabled us to do a lot of the things we do today. We learned from this. Here we have very simple walking beam that allows us to mechanically join these parts very, very finely. Of course, over the years, we're adding in newer technologies like this camera system. You see the 2D attributes here and actual force testing, mechanical testing of the product before it gets automated in its packaging. No human touches this. This is part per million defect rate going back 20 some odd years. So this is the foundation from which we grew Hubotics as we know it today.